if all the words with or without meaning formed using the letters of word Kanpur are arranged as in a dictionary, then we have to find the word on 440th place. Now in JEE Main, there are number of PYQs on dictionary problem, and in recent year you will find that instead of finding the rank of the word, they will ask to us to find a word on a given place. For example, here we need the word on 440th place. Now the given word is this one. By rearranging the letters of this word, total you can create 6 factorial, 720 words, right? All these letters are distinct. So total 720 words you can create. Now we have to find the word on this. When you arrange all those words in alphabetical order, we have to find the word on 440th place. Now the trick to solve these type of problem is first we have to get close to this number 440, and then we can use something called 1 2 3 method to find the word at this particular place. Once we get close to this number, then it becomes slightly tricky that which word will come on this place. So for that we'll use 1 2 3 method. We'll discuss what is this 1 2 3 method of solving such type of problems. So see here, when you arrange the letters in alphabetical order, the first word will be A, K, N, and then you have P, R, U. Out of all those 720 words, this will be the first word. Now, first we should get close to the number 440. So all those words which are starting with letter A, that will come in the beginning, right? So words starting with A, if I fix A on first place, you have 5 distinct letters which you can arrange in 5 factorial, that is 120 different ways. After A, the word formation will begin with letter K. With K, you can get another 5 factorial, which is another 120. 120 plus 120, this will be 240. So first 240 words will be either starting with A or starting with K. After that, word formation will begin with letter N. Within another 5 factorial, that is 120. 240 plus 120, that will be 360. Right, so the word on 360th place, that will be the last word starting with letter N. Now after that, word formation will begin with letter P. We have to get close to 440. We have reached till 360. Now after N, the word formation will begin with letter P. Now with P, if you make another 5 factorial, then you will cross this number 440. 360 plus another 120 will make it 480. We need the word on 440th place. So the word on that place will be starting with letter P, right? So now P fixed on first place, but on second place, first you'll get PA and then PK, PN and so on. So with PA, you can create 4 factorial, that is 24 words. 360 plus 24, this will be 384. So the word on 384th place will be the last word starting with PA, right? After PA, we'll have words starting with letter PK, right? First PA, then you'll get PK. With PK, another 4 factorial, another 24. 384 plus 24, that will be 408. We are getting very close to this number 440. PK, then we have PN. With PN, you can create another 4 factorial, 24. So 408 plus 24, that will be 432. And now after this, after PN, the word formation will begin with PR, right? So word on 433rd place, right? 420 words you have created using PN. After PN, you will get PR. So word on 433rd place, that will be starting with these two letters P and R. Now if I ask which word will come at this particular place, then these two letters and remaining 4 letters in alphabetical order, right? The first word starting with PR will come on this place. So if I need first word starting with a given set of letters, then those letters followed by other letters in alphabetical order. So that means we have PR, and then you have A, K, NU. This is the word on 433rd place. Now you can see that by rearranging these 4 letters, you can create 24 next word, and therefore the first 2 letters will be PR. Now you can see that if I interchange these 3 letters, we can create another 6 words. So starting from 433, right, 432 plus another 6, that will be 438. So on 438 place also you will have words starting with letter PRA, right? And in fact, I mean 432 plus another 6, so 438. Now the word on 438 place, that will be the last word starting with PRA. 433rd, first word starting with PRA. 438, last word starting with PRA. So if I need last word, we can arrange the remaining letters in reverse order. That means you have U and then you have N and K. Now on 439th place, you will have after PRA, the word formation, I mean, first you have PRA, then you will get PRK, right? First two letters will be PR, then PRA, 6 words. Now after PRA, you will get P, then you have R, and after A, K, right? So this will be the word on 439th place, starting with PRK. Now the first word starting with PRK, that will be PRK, and then remaining 3 letters, A, N, and U in alphabetical order. So here you can write A, then N, U. And now this 1, 2, 3, I mean, you can see the next word very easily, that just interchange these two, you will get the next one. But here I'll explain that how you can get all the other words. For example, instead of 439, if the question was find the word on, instead of 440, if it was to find 442 or 443, then how to get that particular word? So for that, you can use this 1, 2, 3 method, because with letters, it becomes difficult to see that which letter will come first and which one will come next. But with numbers, you can very easily see that next 6 words will be starting with PRK. Now, by arranging these 3 letters, you can create another 6 words, right? So the first one is this one, 1, 2, 3. Next one will be 1, 3, 2, right? If I have a given, if I have these 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, so the smallest number will be 132. Next smallest one will be 132. Then you have 213. Then you will have 231. Then 312 and then 321. So the next 6 words will be in this order. Right? The first one is 1 is representing A, 2 is representing N, and 3 U. So next one will be 132. That means you have P R K, and then you have 132. That means A U N. Right? If I need the next one, 441, then just use that same method. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, then 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3 means first 3 letters PRK, this is fixed. 2, 1, 3 means you have NAU. Next one will be NUA. And then you have 213, 312 and 321, right? So using this method, you can very easily see the next set of words. Here we are interested in word on 440th place. So that will be PR, and then you have KAUN, right? So therefore, here the correct answer will be PR, and then you have KAUN. So this second option, right? So this was a very interesting problem. And in dictionary problem, I mean, in recent year, there are a few PYQ where you have to find the word on given place. First, get close to that number. And then once you are very close to that number, you can use this method, right? Because numbers, with numbers, it is very easy to see that which number is the smaller one, which one is the next bigger one, and so on. So for this problem, the correct answer will be option B.